sure to surprise you because it's really surprised me. This is WhatCar's Car of the Year, Family SUV of the Year, 2 years running, the Skoda Karoq, or Karoq. Now in 2020 it won an award with WhatCar. This year it's won the same award with WhatCar, which should really say it all. And what an unbelievable value for money car this is. 2 litre diesel, 4-wheel drive, packed full of loads and loads of features that make it an unbelievable car. Priced at £20,669. The car's done 31,000 miles, has a full Skoda history, just serviced in January by Skoda themselves. It's a beautiful colour, it's Meteor Grey, which looks stunning. Then we've got pan roof, we've got electric memory seats, we've got heated seats, we've got full leather, power boots, xenon lights, upgraded 19-inch wheels. It's got everything. And what's really surprised me, you can buy this car with a grand in, $299 a month, so value for money is absolutely off the scale. This car rivals the Audi Q3, BMW X3, VW Tiguan. It's got 10 times much spec as them cars got. This is an edition spec, I think it's called an edition, which means that it's like nearly the top of the range car, but for the value for money element, it doesn't get much better. It's beautiful looking, it's very angular, very modern, with big wheels, with a roof, with privacy, with all the space you're ever going to want. Beautiful features like power tailgate, loads of space in the back. Don't forget, the award it won is Family SUV with WhatCar, for practicality, for space. Then don't forget Skoda's reliability. It's one of the best. You know, Skodas are renowned to be unbelievable on not going wrong. Build quality. This one's 4-wheel drive, it's 2 litre diesel, and look how modern it is from the back. The crystallised LED lights, front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera. And I don't have a bad word to say about it. It looks great. Meteor Grey is a really modern colour, like Nardo Grey in the Audi. Look at the back. You've got those beautiful tray tables like you get in the VW. And then the interior is just so crisp. Full black leather, full panoramic sunroof, which tilts and slides and opens. It's got all the driving features you're going to want. Skoda lights to entry level, power folding door mirrors, upgraded sound system, which is a Canton system. Then look at the seats, electric memory seats for driver, beautiful black leather sport seats. And then this is where it gets really interesting inside, because for £20,669, it's got everything. Keyless start. Then when I press this little button on the steering wheel, this is all the driver features you get. I might have to shut the door here, Tom, I think. Let me shut the door. The back door's open. Press that button on the steering wheel. Lane assist, blind spot monitor, rear traffic monitor, and front assist. They're all the features you get. There's your blind spot there. Popping the car in reverse. Reversing camera. And then look at this screen. It's a 9.2-inch TFT high definition screen. It's massive. You've got full touchscreen interface with Bluetooth, sat-nav, media interface, smartphone link, Bluetooth music streaming. It's got everything. And it's stunning inside. Heated seats, digital climate control, DSG gearbox. Don't forget it's 4-wheel drive. Different driving capabilities for the car. You've got sport button, normal drive, snow mode as well. What a car it is. It's really, really incredible, really. Powered sunroof with powered blind. And for value for money, I don't think it gets much better. £20,669, 2 keys for the car, all the practicality, all the space, reliability, great looks, value for money. £1,000 in, $299 a month, 8,000 miles a year, low rate finance on our PCP plan. Contact me for the details on that finance package. But it's a modern colour, it's a modern looking car for a fraction of the competitors' costs. Thanks for watching.